Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Lightroom to restore the detail in your highlights and bring back some of that color. Now, once you've got Adobe Lightroom open and you have an image ready to edit, we can go ahead and increase the exposure. The whole point of this is we want to increase the exposure of the shadows. And then we'll just go down to vibrance and we'll increase the vibrance to around 50%. And we'll also increase some of the saturation as well. So we'll increase the saturation to 24%. Now, this is the most important part. We're going to go to this rectangle icon, select that, and that's going to create a brand new mask. Now select on the top half of your photo and drag this down towards the lower third of the photo. So by using this feature, we can only edit the top half of the image. This means we can adjust the exposure, the saturation, we can adjust absolutely everything here and not affect the bottom of the photo. So from here we'll go into exposure and we'll pull this all the way down. So we'll pull this all the way over to the left to restore that highlight detail. We can go down to clarity and we can add some contrast into the highlights. We'll increase the sharpness. We'll increase the saturation. And then of course we can adjust the temperature, so we can pull this towards the blues, or we can pull this towards orange if we want to add or remove some of that orange tone from the sky. This is a really powerful and really awesome tool right inside of Adobe Lightroom, and this really allows you full control of your highlights. So the next time you're editing a photo and your sky is really bright and you need to bring back that detail, use this quick feature right inside of Adobe Lightroom. And there you go, that's it from me for today. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.